So as promised, we finished the third stage of our rebuilt 1961 Chevy truck. The front bed is completely off the frame. Cabin. So we can go and maybe get a sandblast. But even before we even get a sandblast, we noticed a couple of rust issue it has already. I don't know if you guys can see this right here. This rust issue. And then there's a couple of rust issue right here that we have to address. I'm sorry. It's gonna get a completely new suspension in the front, coilover, with the modern rack and pinion instead of the gearbox over there. Hey, look, send a picture. Hey, look, here I am. You want a picture? This is without me, this is with me. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of this. We're gonna have a coilover as well, and rear brake disc instead of shoes it has back here. Hopefully we can find some magna flow for the exhaust system. Again, parts is kind of hard to find in this car. It's very stressful. I don't know how Richard Rollin and all of them doing, and I have a budget of possibly up to 45 grand to get this done. And I was hoping my man Richard Rollin can really help. Although I watch this show all the time, this is our first build. Hopefully we can do it right and put our name on the map for Maryland. That's my goal. Next we gotta take up all the mirror for right there. Sorry, I'm pointing the wrong way. We gotta get the mirror. Not mirror, glass, and then all the door accessories. And then we send it to sandblast. Like I said earlier, it has Corvette seat, so we gotta find vent seat for it. Completely new updated interior. And that's time I see my guys goofing around. So we was able to paint the block in the color the customer want. The transmission has arrived. The block paint was courtesy of AutoZone. We couldn't get any. Hey, yo, we gotta redo this part. We got oil bubble in there. No, I gotta clean it up first, man. Clean it up. It's gonna get a brand new exhaust system. And on top of that, it's gonna get a brand new carburetor. Hoping to look into Elder Rock. Well, this is one of it, but if we can get a rebuild or a brand new one, or we possibly gonna rebuild it. The only issue we have right now is getting the front grille back to chrome, because somebody painted it, and then get the original one with the Chevy logo. Problem is finding someone to do in Maryland chroming. It's gonna be hard. So we were hoping. And then there's a couple of breakers in the bed too right here. So that gotta be addressed as well. Oh, all these are like silicone seam. So we'll see what happens when we get back from sandblasting. In the meantime, we're gonna get a suspension ready for it. But today is like almost 91 degrees here in College Park. We're gonna call it quit for the day. And like my man Richard Owen says, it's time to go get a beer.